Database workloads can experience sudden data growth or unexpected spikes that require immediate storage adjustments. Previously, you had to wait through a 6-hour cool-off period between storage modifications, limiting your ability to respond quickly to changing requirements. With this enhancement, you can perform up to 4 storage modifications per database instance within a rolling 24-hour window. You can increase storage size, change storage type, and adjust performance characteristics without downtime. You can start a new modification immediately after the previous optimization completes, eliminating the mandatory cool-off period. This capability maintains application availability with minimal performance impact while giving you the agility to scale storage capacity or adjust performance as your workload demands change throughout the day. When running streaming workloads on Apache Kafka, you need high availability, fast scaling, and minimal recovery time during failures or rebalances. Amazon MSK Express Brokers now supports Apache Kafka version 4.2, which addresses these requirements. You can select version 4.2 when creating new clusters through the AWS Management Console, CLI, or SDKs. For existing deployments, you can upgrade clusters with in-place rolling updates while Amazon MSK orchestrates broker restarts to maintain availability and protect your data. The 4.2 release improves leader election correctness through eligible leader replicas enhancements, reducing the risk of availability issues during failover. It introduces a new consumer rebalance protocol that enables smoother and faster group rebalances, minimizing disruption during consumer group changes. Additionally, the new Streams Rebalance protocol extends broker coordination to Kafka streams for optimized task assignments. These capabilities, combined with MSK Express Brokers' ability to deliver up to 3 times more throughput per broker, scale up to 20 times faster, and reduce recovery time by 90%. The feature is available in all AWS regions where MSK Express Brokers is offered. When you deploy many Lambda functions and layers, you previously faced a 75 GB code storage limit per region, requiring support tickets for quota increases. Lambda copied all deployment packages to Lambda Managed Storage, counting against this limit and adding time to function activation. With self-managed code storage, you can now reference code directly from your own S3 buckets without Lambda creating intermediate copies. You eliminate code storage limits since your bucket determines capacity. You reduce function activation time by removing the copy step during function creates and updates. You maintain a single source of truth for deployment packages in your account. You pay only standard S3 storage cost without additional Lambda charges. To enable this, set the C-Object Storage Mode parameter to reference when creating or updating functions and layers, and grant Lambda Service Principal the required S3 permissions. Lambda has also increased the default limit for Lambda Managed Storage from 75 GB to 300 GB per region per account. Storing logs for extended periods creates a challenge between cost control and retention requirements. You often face the choice of filtering logs, exporting them to external storage, or accepting high storage costs. CloudWatch Logs intelligent tiering addresses this by automatically managing your log data across 3 storage tiers. You can store logs across 3 tiers based on access patterns, with data moving to infrequent access after 30 days of no access and archive instant access after 90 days. You can retain high-volume logs at lower cost natively in CloudWatch instead of filtering or exporting them. You can query data seamlessly regardless of storage tier, maintaining the same query experience across all tiers. When you access older data, it automatically promotes back to standard tier for 30 days. You can enable intelligent tiering at account level through the console, SDKs, or CLI. This consolidation eliminates the overhead of managing multiple storage solutions and reduces mean time to resolution by providing visibility across all logs in one tool. Previously, when you imported users into Amazon Cognito from CSV files, users had to reset their passwords on first sign-in, creating friction in the migration process. Amazon Cognito now supports importing users with their password hashes, eliminating this requirement. You can include password hashes in your CSV user imports by specifying the password hashing algorithm used by your source system. Amazon Cognito supports bcrypt, script, Argon 2IDE, and PBKDF2 with SHA-256 algorithms. When users sign in for the first time, Amazon Cognito verifies their password against the imported hash. All imported hashes receive an additional layer of cryptographic protection before storage. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Cognito operates, and you can create user imports using the AWS Management Console, CLI, or SDKs.